Today, I decided to go back to the gym. And here's why. If you've been following my channel, you know that I'm dedicated to making sure that you get the technique in your physique. Hi, I'm Discipline Dave, where I put the technique in your physique. Hi, I'm Discipline Dave, where I put the technique in your physique. Remember, the cornerstone to everything is about technique to get the best physique possible. As you know, a lot of my channel is about using resistance bands to get in shape. Because resistance bands that I found was a big epiphany for me of learning good form and technique. With that said, what I've learned over 10 plus years of working out is that you need a variety of things to make sure that you get into the best shape as possible. And that's what this video is about. I'm speaking to those people who want to get into the best shape no matter what. They're gonna do whatever it takes. Now, if you're one of those people who says, I'm only in the camp of only using bands, forget weights, forget anything else like that, I have a lot of videos for that. But this is designed for those people who want to make sure they go to the next level. Because when you look around at people who are really in shape or who want to get that physique that you want, you'll notice if you just count those out, that's very few people that you know. That's less than 5% of the population. And in order to get a 5% of the population body, you're gonna have to do stuff that other people don't wanna do. You're gonna have to take that extra mile. And that's what this video and some future videos are gonna be about. Those people who wanna reach that higher level of physique. These are the people that I'm speaking to right now. What I care about and what I am passionate about is making sure that you achieve those goals that you dreamed about, because they are obtainable. They're obtainable naturally. There's a whole industry out there that I feel is given a false narrative that you need to take all these different type of performance enhancing things in order to achieve those goals. So my mission is to make sure that you understand to get there is going to be technique and form. As my man Beast Mode Jones says, we're gonna make form great again. So I made this video so you can see what happened when I went back to the gym. There's a lot of things that happen as far as what I used to do that really improved. Those resistance bands really made everything else a whole lot better. And it let me open my eyes to understanding that some of those gym things that you need to go with have bigger equipment that maybe you can't put at home, or some things are a little bit more expensive, are going to be very beneficial to achieving what that 5% of the population body that you're trying to achieve. I noticed some things technique-wise that really help with muscle hypertrophy, which really help with those muscle fibers. Now, with that said, let's walk you through going back to the gym and the things that I've learned and the things that you can apply to that. All right, walking into the gym, about to go test out this pre-workout. Okay, so now I know that you're looking at this video and you want to learn something, okay? You just don't want B-roll or slow motion of me working out. So this is the part where I'm going to teach you some of the things that I incorporated that I learned with bands that really helped me out into the gym. So make sure you keep watching and like the video if you like the content that you're seeing so far. Now, one of the main things that I learned from working out with bands is mind-muscle connection, and that completely translated to the gym. So here I am doing some tricep pull downs and getting that mind-muscle connection, going slow and pausing at the bottom. Okay, today is leg day, and I don't know about you, but I dread leg day. I think leg day is like paying taxes. You know you have to do it, but you don't enjoy it. But anyways, what I learned with this is that with bands, that slow and controlled movement is so great when I'm using the leg curl machine. I like to go ahead and curl and hold at the top to really feel those muscles. Okay, now I'm doing some dips. Now with dips, you have to decide what is the main muscle you want to work out. Your chest, or your triceps. So I want you to take a look at what I'm doing right here and leave a comment and let me know what I'm working out. Okay, I gave you enough time. I'm working out my chest. You know this is because I'm leaning forward mostly. This makes it so that that's the primary muscle. You'll still work out your triceps, but if you really want to work out the triceps as the primary, you're just going to go straight up and down instead of leaning forward. Okay, now it's time for some wide grip pull-ups. What you see here is that I'm bringing my chest to the bar and I'm keeping my legs straight. Bringing your chest to the bar will make it so that you focus on the back. So if you're one of those people that are out there looking to make sure that you can get that ideal body naturally without taking any type of drugs or anything like that, I want you to check out this video and then future videos and let me know in the comments if you want to see what you need to do to get that body. Let me know if you want more videos like that that's going to take you to the extra level. So not just bands, anything it takes to get that physique.